Hello dear subscribers, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can install WhatsApp on your iPhone or iPad. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. For this, we need to go to our default application on iPhone, which is called Apple Store. Go here. After that, go to the search box. And then we need to type in WhatsApp. Find that app. Open it up. Click on Get. Then we're prompted here. Or we can enter Touch ID. If Touch ID doesn't work, you and I can enter our Apple ID password. Let me give it to you now. After that, I press Sign In. And as you can see, we've downloaded our WhatsApp Messenger app. Now you have to wait literally about 30 seconds, maybe a minute. It depends on how much the application weighs. And most importantly, it depends on what kind of connection we have. If it's good, it will download very quickly. Let's now wait for the download to go through. We can log out. And as you can see live, we can see how fast the application is downloading. All the application is installed. Now you and I are going to enter it. It opens. We can click here. Then you need to enter your phone number, enter your country. Confirm, and after that, we can either register with you or log in to an existing WhatsApp account. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Bye, everyone.